In a picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and meadows, there lived a gentle girl named Mary. She had a cherished companion, a little lamb with fleece as white as freshly fallen snow. This fluffy friend followed Mary wherever she went, creating a heartwarming bond between them. Mary and her lamb became inseparable, their friendship a source of joy for all who witnessed it. The lamb trotted alongside Mary as she embarked on her daily adventures, a loyal companion by her side. One day, as the sun painted the sky with hues of gold, Mary decided to bring her beloved lamb to school. Excitement buzzed in the air as the children marveled at the unusual sight. A lamb, in all its woolly glory, strolling through the school gates. However, the joyous scene soon caught the attention of the teacher, who, adhering to the rules, found having a lamb in school a tad unconventional. Though it brought laughter and playfulness to the children, the teacher gently insisted that the lamb must leave the classroom. Undeterred, the lamb, understanding the separation from its friend, lingered near the school. It patiently waited, its eyes fixed on the entrance, anticipating the moment Mary would reappear. Despite the teacher's attempt to maintain order, the lamb's persistence charmed everyone. And so, the teacher, moved by the enduring friendship between Mary and the lamb, eventually allowed the gentle creature to stay near. Curious children, their eyes wide with wonder, questioned the teacher about the extraordinary bond between Mary and her lamb. "Why does the lamb love Mary so?" they eagerly inquired. The teacher, with a smile, responded. And so, in that quaint village, Mary and her little lamb continued to share their days, embarking on adventures, bringing smiles to faces, and proving that the purest friendships could defy even the most well-intentioned rules. The tale of Mary and her little lamb became a cherished story, whispered with admiration and fondness throughout the village for generations to come.